Hi, I'm Tadao of Madatsukairude. Madatsukairude is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I just installed the spacer for the hood of 93 Jeep Cherokee XJ. Actually, after I repaired the AC system and upgraded to 134 the system, I tend to have the overheating. It's not really super overheating, but if I drive along the in desert with AC on, the water temperature goes up to about 3/4 or higher, and I feel really bad about that. And so I decided to put the shim spacer closer to the backside of the hood, so that the air going through the engine and actually escape through that gap on the wind shield, and hopefully this will help reducing the water temperature. And but anyways, installation was not really that difficult. It's about 30 minutes job. So this is how it went. So this is the parts. It's just the shim or the spacer for the hood, and made by Rockstar 4x4.com. And it said made in the USA. And I hope this is true. And there is an instruction, so it should be straightforward. So let's see how it goes. So this is the I think hinge, and just this part. This guy gonna fit here, I think. And the instruction said, just mark the position over there also, and they just put this spacer one by one, so one side at a time. how it goes. I think it fits fine, so I think I'm gonna tighten that. It's actually shifted. Okay, so I tightened with torque wrench. It's about I think I set the 18 point or 19, I think. So this was a easy installation. Let's see how it closed. So this is how it looks with closed hood. So that's fine, and we have the gap here so that we have the air coming out. So the air intake is from the front grill, and then it's coming out from here. And I hope this gonna help the avoiding the overheat, especially in summer. And my biggest concern right now is the water leak. Not really leak, it's actually water gonna come in when it rains. So right now it's California in summer, so it's not the big issue, but I think I have to put some seal, rubber seal kind of thing that's gonna be used during the rain drive. Well, when it's driving, I think it's fine, but when it's just parking and under rain, the all water gonna come into here, and there is a rubber seal here, but this seal no longer works because of the gap. So that's the problem. So I have to think about that. So actually, I thought about this, how to avoid the water coming in, and I decided to remove this rubber, because if you have a rubber, when the water is flowing over the water gonna flow over the rubber and easier to come in. If you don't have a rubber, this is a gutter, so I think water will be caught by this gutter. and coming in, actually there is a hole here, so I have to fill these holes. But if water flows along this gutter and here, then it's gonna be going outside. And side is a little bit tricky, but the side that didn't have the rubber seal from the beginning anyways, so water was supposed to come in here and flow along this. It may come in the flow this way, but the probably water is will flow along this gutter, not really gutter but the side. And so but anyways, I'm actually removing this, and there's a few pins, and like this there's a pin, plastic pin here. If you touch here, actually there the other side of the pin is sticking outside of the gutter, so you can actually remove the pin like this very easily. So I think I'm gonna remove all the rubber pins and the rubber seal. So I remove all the seals, rubber, and put back all the pins so that the water not gonna flow through the pin. Of course there will be a leak, I believe. And at the same time, I noticed there's two holes here and also two holes the other side, and I believe this is something like a water drain purpose. So I will just leave this open, and if water flows, this is designed the water flow through here and go down. And I don't think this will be a problem. I hope it's not gonna water drip directly to some parts important, like electric part or anything. So I think I'll let them just let it go. Also this side, water gonna probably coming down. Underneath we have brake. This is computer though. It's not really. I don't know why these are there's a hole here. Yeah, that's a big question mark. Of course, originally we have rubber, but I don't think the rubber seal gonna seal these two holes, and the water gonna probably drip down. But anyway, this is deep gutter now, about 1/8 of the height, and hopefully the water gonna go here. I have to think about what to do with these holes. The one way is just plug the holes, but the other way is just let it go. I don't know. This is the computer, the connector there. So it might not be good on this side. The other side is just water, the washer tank, and also that side there is a blower, cabin blower over there. It's also electric, but I don't know the purpose of these holes. I really want to ask the person who actually designed this. But anyways, I'll think about it at this moment. So I thought about this, and I decided to use the very primitive way, just a tape, aluminum tape. But by using this, I'm pretty sure that water not gonna flow through, and the water gonna come to the side, and from side it's gonna go into and go outside of the engine room, hopefully. And but anyways, it's summer in California. We don't really have the rainfall, so I don't know how this gap and the removal of this rubber gonna work. I'll just keep updated if we have serious problem. But anyways, this is what I did today, and hopefully this is gonna help reducing the overheating situation of the motor. And I'm planning to go to desert this summer, so if I see something, some improvement, I probably make a video out of it. And thank you very much for watching. Bye.